Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna solve Apriti sesamo. I don't know what that is really, but it claims to be impossible to hack. Okay, log in if you can. Let's try admin. I tried this. I tried SQL injection. Nothing worked. And I tried fuzzing for directories right here. Couldn't find anything of interest. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I couldn't find anything. But what could I do? I mean, it's supposed to be solvable. It's a medium one. It's not even a hard CTF. I had an idea. I could maybe look for backup files like this. Impossible login.php.back or .phps maybe. And then when I tried this extension, I found this. It's the same page, but it's really not. This page has in its source code some PHP code we can use to help us win this if you want. And great, really great. Deobfuscate and help. And then when it deobfuscates us the code, we are gonna see that we have to enter a username and a password. They have to be different, so I can enter here A and B, but here's the catch. They both have to have the same hash. Okay, but how can this happen? How can we enter two different things and these guys have the same hash? I started researching and I found two things. EXEs with the same hash and PDFs with the same hash. It's gonna be different PDFs, but it's called, I don't know, shatter.io I think, and the EXEs files. Okay, 1 moment. How can we get the flag? Okay, it says we have to have the password not equal to the username and the hash is the same. Okay, this is SHA-1 hash collision. This uses the SHA-1. I think the EXE's hash collision was like MD5. So this actually, if you were searching about this, you'll be going in the wrong direction, because I found out two PDFs also. The PDFs had different contents, but they had the same hash. Okay, this wouldn't work. I tried it didn't work. And then I searched for like this in PHP. And after some searching, I found an article on Medium. It took me some time, but I did. Wait a minute. PHP hashing collision. Yes, this was the article I found. If we go down here, wait a minute. Controlling the types of variables. Let's try to get the fact here. This is our exact situation. If the name and password are set, and if the name equals password, both cannot be the same, okay? And if the hash of the name is equal to the hash of the password, then it prints out the flag, okay? Else it prints invalid password, which is the exact same situation we have here. So let's see what he did to solve it, or what they did to solve it. They used an array, okay? But why did they use this? If we send variables of the type array, then we can bypass the SHA-1 check. Why? Because you can't even take it. It will return an error, but it will then be evaluated to be null. Sorry, and null is equal to null. At least in PHP, I don't know about JavaScript though. Null is equal to null, and they have different values right here. So why would this not work? We can try it. So let's open up burp and let's try to send this A and B. Great, now we can add arrays, right? Oh, sorry, not here. should be in the variable itself. Let's forward the request. And it says warning, SHA-1 expects parameter 1 to be a string, and this also, and it gave us the flag because no was equal to no. I'll leave the article link in the description so you can read it if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you soon.